Ready to ditch your old phone? Today, we're pitting the hottest flip and folding phones of 2026 head-to-head. Which one deserves your pocket and your cash? Let's find out. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which one you think is the best fit for you. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Honor Magic V35. The Honor Magic V35 is making waves as one of the thinnest and lightest foldable phones you can buy right now. When it's folded, it's barely thicker than a standard smartphone, which makes it super comfortable to carry around. But unfold it, and you're greeted with a spacious 7.95-inch display that boasts a sharp 2172 by 2352 resolution. It's perfect for watching videos, browsing, or multitasking. Camera performance is a real highlight here. The 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens stands out, capturing crisp, detailed photos that look fantastic, whether you're shooting in daylight or indoors. While it doesn't quite reach the ultra-high resolution of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, it's more than enough for most users who want great shots without going overboard. Performance-wise, the Magic V5 is smooth and responsive thanks to its fast processor. Both the cover and main screens are bright and vibrant, making everything from streaming to multitasking enjoyable. The battery easily lasts all day, and with super fast charging, you're rarely left waiting around for a top-up. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Next up is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, which continues to set the standard for flip phones. The main rear camera has been upgraded to 50 megapixels, and it delivers sharp, vibrant photos that are perfect for everyday use. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera still struggles a bit in low light, but overall, image quality is solid for casual photography and social media. Under the hood, the Flip 7 is powered by the Exynos 2500, which means smooth performance and excellent thermal management, even during heavy use. The battery has been bumped up to 4,300 mAh, so you get better battery life than before, though charging is still limited to 25 watts wired, which is a bit slower than some rivals. The 4.1-inch cover screen is handy for quick notifications, checking messages, or snapping selfies, but its design is starting to feel a bit outdated compared to what some competitors are offering. The main 6.9-inch AMOLED display is bright, colorful, and responsive, though the crease is still noticeable when you're scrolling or watching videos. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is arguably the top foldable phone you can buy today. The squared-off design and matte finish give it a premium, modern look, and the IP48 water resistance adds a layer of durability that's always welcome. The main attraction is the massive 8-inch AMOLED display, which is vibrant, spacious, and perfect for multitasking, gaming, or watching movies. The crease is still visible, but it's less distracting than in previous generations. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering smooth, seamless performance no matter what you throw at it. Samsung's advanced AI tools are a big selling point, boosting productivity and creativity with features like real-time translation and enhanced photo editing. Number 4. OnePlus Open. When Samsung's Fold dominated the foldable scene, it felt like innovation was starting to stall. But the OnePlus Open has reignited excitement, especially for mobile photography fans. This phone boasts the best camera setup in any foldable, capturing photos that rival even top non-folding flagships. The robust telephoto lens and OnePlus's signature image processing make this device a true standout for photography. Performance is solid across the board, with no major drawbacks in daily use. OnePlus's first foldable confidently steps into the spotlight, offering a polished experience that challenges the competition. There are a couple of trade-offs to consider. The OnePlus Open skips wireless charging and lacks an official IP rating for water or dust resistance. Number 5. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Last, but not least, the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold features a spacious 8-inch main display, matching the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 as the largest among Western foldables. The screen is bright, vibrant, and impressively, the crease is barely noticeable, which is a big plus for anyone who finds screen creases distracting. Powered by the new Tensor G5 processor, it delivers smooth performance and excellent heat management, plus 7 years of software updates for long-term peace of mind. However, the camera system is a bit of a letdown. While the 48-megapixel main sensor is solid, the smaller ultra-wide and telephoto sensors struggle in low light and video, falling behind the competition. Still, Google's software shines with creative tools like Best Take, AdMe, and Magic Editor, enhancing the photography experience. Overall, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is a big leap for Google's foldables. If you value design and AI features over camera prowess, it's a compelling choice. So, which is the best? For most people, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 stands out with its unbeatable blend of power, style, and versatility. If you want the ultimate foldable, that's the one to get.